is to train and skill our youth in Orissa. This initiative of a homestay inauguration in Puri has the blessings of Lord Jagannath. I'm hoping that this initiative will be impactful, revenue generating and skill for the youth of Orissa.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री नवीन पट्टनायक जो आमर टूरिज्म ठू आरंभ करी आमर ओडिशार कल्चर हेरिटेज को प्रमोट करने जो पदक्षेप नहीं ता भितर जो यंग जो मैंने अच्छा युवक युवती मैंने से मैंने आसबे ये ट्रेनिंग नहीं पारे और ट्रेनिंग नहीं तापर कम्युनिटी टूरिज्म को प्रमोट करने जहाँ आम राज्य सरकार सब पदक्षेप नि एम्प्लॉयड हो पारे और ता सहित क्वालिटी सर्विस किपर बाहर पर्यटक मान दिहब से शिखिपारे.
We've seen a trend where people want to come and stay in homestays because they want the local flavor, they want to understand, they want to make a connect with the homestay owners. So I think we have huge this thing ahead of us. Not just does this help the consumers, I think it helps in job creation. People can let out their homes, increase their livelihood. We also plan to do skilling of these homestay owners.